see this backwash valve is dripping water out right there. And you can see there's supposed to be a little O-ring right there on the end that's missing. So I don't have one, so we're just going to wrap that with Teflon tape, stick it back in there, and order the part.
Just kind of make a little bump on the end so that it will get a little lube.
Okay, back in. No leak out of the pump. So it's a good temporary fix. You do want to get the O-ring to replace it, but if you don't have one, it's a good way to temporarily put you back in business.